Good afternoon, folks. How is everybody? Folks, I had to share this one before the sun goes down, and it is about to go down. Super low miles 2012 Audi S5 with the legendary 4.2 liter V8 engine. That's been the best V8 block they have made so far. Everybody knows this engine very well. Normally aspirated, no turbo, no supercharger, 4.2 liter V8. Here is how they run when they're happy. Yes, folks, this is a special one. They only are getting more and more in demand because they don't make this engine anymore. And the real Audi guys, they know what this engine is. You just can't hurt this engine. They run a long, I've seen them over 250k, 300k. 4.2 liter V8, no turbo, no supercharger, normally aspirated. Xenon headlights with the LEDs. Let's go to the aluminum mirrors, specific for the S, S4, S5. Here is our passenger front door, real wood grain, no rips, no tears. Here is the S5 sport seats, suede and leather. There's gonna be plenty of photos at trimaxauto.com, so don't worry if you miss something. This is a button to move the seat if you're sitting in the back seat. This is how you can fold it and get into the back seat. Lumbar support, power seat. Folks, it has a gorgeous deck on it. Very, very expensive one actually. It comes with the backup camera and everything. Everything is specific for Audi. I'll get in closer from the other side. Folks, we are really behind on uploading cars to the internet. We're trying our very best. Just hang in there with us, please. Audi's Quattro system. Big trunk for a coupe. Tires are in like new condition. Super low miles, hard to find. S5 4.2 liter V8, 20-inch rims all the way around. Here's the driver door. Headlights are on right now. Let me turn that off. Driver's seat. Yeah. On the S5s, the moonroof tilts up. They don't move back and forth. This one is working fine. And there's a shade to close it if you're not using it. Blind spot monitor right there. Pedal shifters, of course. I mean, driving an S5, you gotta have that so you can enjoy the car. Let's go ahead and close this. Super low mile Audi S5 4.2 liter, black on black, Carfax certified, no accidents. Plenty of photos will be at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact is Justin. He can help you guys out with sales, service, and finance. (757-222-0522). trimaxauto.com. And she drives absolutely amazing, folks. Absolutely amazing. I wish they never stopped on this engine. It is such a reliable engine platform. Yeah, she moves. Folks, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We've been doing this since 2007. Thanks to you guys. Thank you for all the referrals. We appreciate you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.